Hi guys, welcome to Infinite Beauty channel. My name is Angeline and today I want to show you how to make twisted Abuja lines. If you're new here, do remember to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. So to make the lines, I have sectioned to my braids, and as how we usually make Abuja lines, I'm setting the twist and feeding in the tiny sections as I go. So once they're all done and looking neat, I'm going to be sewing them onto my cornrows, which I already made. And if you want to see a video on how to sew in Abuja lines, you can check on the top right corner, or I will also be linking it in the description box, so feel free to check. And so I'm doing some jumbo twists at the back to complement the bandika lines in front of my head, so that I can achieve the top band style which I was going for. So that's it guys, this is the style. If you like it and you love to see more videos like this, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can also chat with me down below in the comments and tell me what you think, what's your opinion. I'd like to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching.